Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zile's Kitchen. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make Achari Gosht Masala. So let's get started. First, you need 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons black mustard seeds or raidana, 4 tablespoons fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon citric acid, optional, 2 tablespoons of nigella seeds or kalongi, 4 tablespoons red chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons Garam Masala, and 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. First, grind cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, and fennel seeds. Next, grind the nigella seeds or kalongi, the red chili flakes, and the citric acid. Now add the fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt.